If you're thinking about selling your home and considering remodeling before you sell, it's crucial to balance potential returns with the costs and time involved. It's very important to make sure that the money that you spend on renovations is going to be returned in the sales price of the home. So talking with a realtor and getting their expert opinion on what renovations are best for the home is a very good idea. Hi, I'm Matt Cirafice with Real Broker. And if you are thinking about remodeling your home before selling, not all upgrades are going to give you the return you're expecting. So today I'm breaking down the top 3 home renovations that not only make your house look better, they actually make you money back at resale. So stick around until the end. I'm going to show you where you can download my 10 best renovations for the money. So let's get into it. Here's a breakdown of key considerations. For return on investment, you want to focus on high ROI projects and avoid over-improving. Don't overspend on high-end renovations that may not significantly increase your home's value here in North Central Florida. You've got to consider market conditions, assess your local market, and this is where teaming up with a market expert that you trust can help you tremendously, potentially save you thousands of dollars. Understand what buyers in your area are looking for and consider the price range of comparable homes. In the seller's market, like during COVID, you needed very few renovations, and we're kind of moving into a buyer's market now where updates can be more critical. Also, your budget and timeline. Set a realistic budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on renovations and factor in unexpected costs. And establish a timeline so you have sufficient time for renovations, considering potential delays. Ensure renovations are completed before listing your home. And then you have to consider what are necessary repairs versus upgrades. So if you have any major issues like a leaky roof or faulty plumbing or HVAC problems, you're going to want to address those things first before worrying about making any upgrades. And these repairs are essential for a smooth sale. Next, we want to focus on strategic upgrades. Choose upgrades that will enhance the home's appeal and marketability. While staying neutral, you want to appeal to a wide range of buyers. Choose neutral colors and finishes that will appeal to most buyers. Avoid highly personalized or trendy designs. Coming in at number 3, we've got vinyl siding with a 94.7% ROI. Vinyl siding basically it's going to refresh your home's look dramatically, adds color and uniformity and a clean exterior that's going to appeal to modern buyers. And on an average cost of about $16,000 and a resale just under that, it nearly recoups the full investment, which makes it a solid exterior upgrade. Now, a lot of people are going to push back on this and say, no way, I don't want no vinyl siding. So the decision is going to be based on what's the condition of the existing siding. If it's in good shape and can be repainted, it's going to be a lot cheaper to do so. Then paint it. If it has a lot of damage, then you want to consider the vinyl siding. Number 2 is upgrading your front door. A steel entry door adds instant security and modern appeal. Buyers love the sleek design and strong protection. Upgrading your front door is kind of a nice way to show your personality. Without going too crazy, it's going to be something that's neutral or acceptable to more people. Keep it simple and elegant with an understated design. The national average cost, just over $2,000. The resale value, just over $2,000. Essentially pays for itself while boosting value. And the number 1 best payoff for home reno before selling your home, garage door replacement, 102.7% ROI. Why does it pay off? A new garage door enhances your home's curb appeal immediately, gives fresh polished look that attracts potential buyers at first glance. Some of the other more popular renovations do not have as high an ROI. A bathroom, major kitchen remodels, adding in addition are going to have progressively lower return on investment numbers. If you want to know more about what's going to pay off for your home, let's talk about it first. It always helps to have a second opinion. I'll help you focus on the improvements that will truly matter for your neighborhood and market. So call or text me, no pressure, just helpful info. A final thought before wrapping up, if you want a truly low cost or no cost idea when getting your home ready to sell is to do a deep clean. Executing a deep clean before putting your home in the market not only is going to help it shine, it will make tidiness easier to maintain between showings. That first impression, you only get one shot at that. So if you'd like to talk about some of these ideas in more detail, feel free to reach out to me. You can call me or text me, or you can email me. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Until next time, have a great day.